that changed pretty dramatically in the 8th inning?
It was a good game for 7 innings. You know, we came back after yesterday and had a really good effort from Irvin. Pitching through the jam there with the rain coming down, that was good to see. We had a nice offensive day after being shut down early. We were affected by yesterday's game and what we could do today. The guys that we had, were a little bit taxed, but we all saw the struggles that we had the last couple innings. You give up 11-3 in the last 2 frames. It's a hard one. I think it's magnified by yesterday, coming off a tough loss in extra innings, and then to let one slip away like that today. All you can do is hope you can find a way to recharge yourself a little bit and hopefully come back and Jose has a good day.
How did you make the decision of who to use there in that inning, rather than use one of the 2 new guys you were with?
We have one of the best offensive teams in the game with a 6-run lead. You're going to go with your experience and guys that you feel should get people out.
You said you guys were affected by yesterday's game. Do you worry about being also affected by today's and the carryover it might have?
Well, time will tell that. I know that we're still having to maneuver our bullpen a little bit differently because of how they've been used here the last couple of days. We're going to send Drew back down to AAA and get Boshears up here tomorrow just to have another fresh arm.
What happened to Byron?
I think he caught his right index finger on Rosario's cleat, and an X-rays are negative. It swelled up on him fairly significantly, and there was a little bit of a cut there, but he's probably going to be day to day.
Naturally, you knew the ball would find Adrianza then right away when you have to.
I thought he played the ball pretty well, actually. I haven't looked at it on video. He got back there and leaped and just didn't make the catch. And, he hasn't been out there. We all know that. The games that he played in AAA, reports were and conversations said that he looked fairly comfortable out there. I could have put Robbie in there. We all know he had options at that point. Just missed it.
Same thing with the Rosario playing, just missed it next time.
He got there. I hit off his glove. Sometimes you go into a dive and your eyes don't track it into the glove, but we had him in the right spot to make a play, and we just couldn't make the catch.